Welcome to Tortilla Takeover. I am Kevin, and tonight I'm making a hybrid quesadilla. Yeah, that's right, hybrid quesadilla. What's hybrid? Oh, well, okay, so quesadillas go back a long time ago, and mostly in Mexico, they're made with corn. Central America, northern Mexico started using flour, and that came over into Texas and the United States. So a Tex-Mex flour tortilla, quesadilla, cheese tortilla, and they fold them in half, and it's just a snack, right? So even with the corn tortillas further south in Mexico, they were corn tortillas, cheese folded over, basically like a cheese taco, but it was just for a snack. And yeah, I remember as a kid, my mom would make me quesadillas with corn tortillas and not the flour ones, and they would be stacked one on top of the other, not folded. So that's another way to make quesadillas, stacked and not the flour ones where they fold them over. I've always had them stacked growing up, and I guess I checked it out. I'm like, why are they folded now? Well, they've always been folded. Stacked was just easier for restaurants and places that served them to cut them and make them like an appetizer, or you could just share them. So the quesadillas have, it's basically just cheese inside of your tortilla, folded. The stacked ones are called, the two are called stacked. And of course, we've evolved and we started putting meats and chicken and beef and all kinds of, chorizo, everything inside of the quesadilla. So it's not just cheese. You can make a full meal out of it. So you could use just vegetables, which I'm doing tonight. I'm just doing just vegetables in my hybrid quesadillas. And then speaking of corn tortillas, another variation, and it's rarely even talked about because everything is a quesadilla, but it's called a molita. A molita, the little mule. Molita is using corn tortillas with your cheese and your chicken or beef or whatever you're going to put in the middle. That's really not a quesadilla. That's a molita. But yeah, whatever. They're all quesadillas, right? So what I decided to make was a hybrid quesadilla. Yeah, hybrid. So it's not folded, it's cut. I had to stack them because flour on one side, corn tortilla on the other side. So it's a hybrid. It's got flour and corn. And I used like the taco size flour tortillas. These were actually fajita size. They're not real thick, so I didn't want to get the real thick fajita type flour tortillas. Before I take a taste of these, I'm going to show you how I make them. Okay, hey, these are quesadillas. They're really pretty simple, but to make the hybrid, I'm using just a regular fajita size flour tortilla. I got some soft butter here. Let's get some butter on there. Now, if you can find taco or tortilla, corn tortilla size flour shells, that would be the ultimate, right? So I'm gonna lay my flour down. Now, I like using this Chihuahua. I like using this Chihuahua. It's a quesadilla cheese. It's a good melting cheese. And these are going to be stacked because it's a hybrid. I'm making a hybrid quesadilla. Quesadilla. Okay, so you want to get your cheese on there. The pan is obviously not too hot yet. I'm going to get a little bit of onion on here. Now, usually a quesadilla is just cheese. Of course, they've evolved to have meat and all kinds of different things in them. And so today, I'm just going to put vegetables in mine. I'm going to put some onion. I got to have green chili. So I'm going to put some green chili in there. And I'm going to put some fire roasted corn. I think this is going to be a pretty good combination for a quesadilla. Just some veggies in there. No meat. Not today. Okay, and what makes this a hybrid? Well, on top, I'm putting a corn tortilla. Same thing. I'm going to apply some softened butter on the outside of it. Got my cast iron pan set on medium heat. All right, I'm going to give this bottom one a check. Looks like we're toasting up pretty nice. Cheese isn't quite melting yet to stick this to it. If you can get your cheese to stick to your top one, it makes it easier for flipping. Okay, it's starting to melt there. Okay, looks like we're getting a little brown around this edge, so I'm going to go ahead and flip it. Oh, perfect. Look at that. All right, so hybrid. Corn tortilla on the bottom, which is, you know, original quesadillas, from what I understand, were always corn, not flour. Flour came a little later and widely used in northern Mexico and in the United States. So, get the corns out of there. I'm going to let this bottom side fry up a minute. The hotter my pan gets, the quicker things go. So you don't want to overcook or over crisp your corn tortilla, but that one there looks perfect. Okay. Flour down. Cheese on there so it can start melting. Again, I'm doing onions, green chili, and corn. I'm out of green chili, that's all I had. Corn. Butter the corn tortilla. Because like I said, we're making hybrids. Making hybrids. Trying to make sure we get the cheese to melt a little bit and start acting as our glue to hold that other corn tortilla on there. See how we're doing? Nice and golden brown. Give it a flip. Look at that. A little bit longer. There we go. That right there looks pretty good. All right. Hybrid quesadillas. Here's my hybrid quesadillas. You can use a knife. I like using a pizza cutter. I'm just going to cut these in half. Look at that. Looks pretty darn good. All right. This one was done a little extra. This was the mozzarella. Okay. Look at that. Beautiful. All right. And here's our plate of hybrid quesadillas. So here we go. I've got in the center of mine, I've got quesadilla cheese, onion, green chili, and fire roasted corn. So let's give this a taste. See how the hybrid quesadilla is. Which one do you think? You guys like it flour or do you like it corn? I like them both, so hence the hybrid. I'll tell you what, I just might be onto something here, because you get the corn tortilla flavor, which is really good, and you get the fried flour tortilla that is really good. So you get the best of both worlds, and I just made the very vegetable one with corn, green chili, and onions inside, and it's fantastic. Great combination. And of course, you know, you serve this with salsa, guacamole, sour cream, dip it in, however you want to eat them. But I'll tell you what, just these with the green chili, corn, and onions are fantastic. So anyway, give it a try. Give this hybrid quesadilla a try. They're smaller. They're not the big giant tortillas where you fold in half. Make a couple of them. Serve them with little sides, some corn or Mexican rice or something, and you'd have a complete meal. Look at that. Look at that. So good. All right. That's my hybrid quesadilla. Thanks for watching Tortilla Takeover. I hope you have a great day.